So with it, today I'm going to be installing a wig. Right now I'm just brushing back my edges, um, preparing to put the cap on. Oh my gosh, my locks look so horrible. Anyways, I'm going to be installing this wig from Beaumont Hair or Beaumont Hair. It's a 13 by 4 200% density wig in the inches in 24 inches in the color 27, aka honey blonde. The packaging was so cute. At first I thought it was like Hello Kitty. But anyways, this is the wig. Nice and full. You see the 24 inches on the bag. Um, Nice body wave texture. Pre-plucked. It did come pre-plucked. The hairline is really nice. It's not too full, not too thin. And the wig is thick from root to tip. Right here I'm showing you the inside of the wig, the structure, which is nice. It's really nice. It has the 4 combs, 3 across the top and 1 in the back. It has the adjustable strap and the additional strap. And then it comes with the little lace patch in the back that nobody uses. Right here I'm just checking to see if the wig sheds. So far I only got like a few strands, nothing too crazy. The hair don't shed like I thought. Yeah. One of my least favorite parts is making sure that the wig fits perfectly. So that's what I'm doing is like readjusting the wig. I gotta readjust the straps in the back. to make sure that the wig is not too big. Smoke break. I always gotta take a smoke break. I don't care if the world knows I smoke anymore. I be blowing down. I be needing to. Don't act like you don't smoke. This might affect my collaboration with the other wig companies. I'm sure it is. I forgot to record the part where I actually laid the wig down. But this is me with the hot comb. I was so nervous to use that hot comb because there's a split in the cord. And I didn't want to end up like the rest of the girls that's hot comb they had and then the hot comb explode on them. So this was very tedious for me. But I'm just pushing all the hair back so I can make sure that my install, this first install, is flawless. Always. Here I'm going in with my Millie spray. I think that's how you pronounce it. Milye. Millie. Anyway, this is the adhesive spray. This works really well. It's just runny as hell. Like, and there is no possible way to thicken this up. But I'm using this to lay down the lace or like an extra layer of glue to make sure that my lace don't move. And you see the lace? Like, as soon as I sprayed the adhesive onto there, where's the lace? Yeah, so it was late and I was getting sleepy and I wasn't quite sure what to do with this. I never know what to do with my hair after I install the wig. So this is me just playing with it, showing you how thick and full it is and how it looks good like this in this style, even though I might style it later. This is one of the best installs that I've done. I say that with every new wig I install, but this is one of the best installs that I've done next to my birthday wig. And that video is out now. But this is a nice ass wig. Very thick and full. I love the hairline. Even though the wig is on my forehead. I love the hairline. I love how thick it is. I love the color. The colors was getting me. I might do something about the middle part. But the side part is where it's at. Side part, no part. Side swoop. That's it right there.